Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up Rosebot on your Telegram. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need to have our Rosebot. So basically just type Rosebot on your web browser, and from here you will need just to search for the one. So we will need just to go to this Miss Rose. You click here and it will take us to here, and basically all we need to do is to click on find me on Telegram or click on get started. So from get started it will show you how you can be able to set up your bot, or you can just click find me on Telegram so it can directly take us on Telegram. And if you do not have your Telegram, you can either download it on your desktop, so you will have your desktop Telegram, or you can use it on your web browser. So from here I will just click on send the message and make sure that you have your Telegram that will be already connected. So let's just see Telegram web, and basically I will need to connect my Telegram first. And to do so you can just log in from your mobile, or you can just search and add scan the QR code from your Telegram mobile app, so you can be able to connect your web browser to your Telegram account. So from here now, after connecting our Telegram browser, well, we need just to go back here to the Rosebot, and basically we click on send message, and it should make us send message or open in the web, and basically we will have our Rosebot that will be added and successfully set up on our Telegram web app. So let's just refresh again so we can uh, avoid the lag. We go back and we start again. Find me on Telegram and send a message, or just open on the web. So I'm just going to click on open on web. You start, and now you have your bot that will be started in your Telegram. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.